Hello friends, welcome to Informed Users. I am Naveen and our today's topic is economic growth of a country. So please support, share and subscribe so that we can make more videos for your favorite topic. Let's start. First question is what is economic growth of a country? Economic growth is basically the increase in the total volume of goods and services produced by a country, or we can say that a growth in its GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. So it means the production of goods and services in a country is its economic growth. But it must be noticed that the production must be increased not only for one time but for a longer period. Means not for 1 year but for a longer period. Let's take an example. If agriculture production increased in 1 year but falls in next year, it's not termed as economic growth. It must be for some years and for longer period of time. One main criteria in economic growth is that we must take into account only the real means physical increase, not the increase in prices. Let's understand this. Suppose the value means money value of total production in a country in 2017 is dollar or rupees or any currency of 4,000 crores, and in 2018 is 5,000 crores of value, but this all is increased due to increase in prices, not the increase in production. So this means that production is not increased, the value increased only due to increase in prices, hence the rate of growth was zero. And we must take all this consideration for a longer period of time. Here only for example and for your understanding I only take 1 year of change. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and yes, last, don't forget to subscribe for more.